You're trying to delete a named range. Named ranges are really awesome because they allow us to name columns, rows, cells, or groups of cells. But sometimes they're sitting here named and we want to delete them. Here's how to do it. So you can find any and all named ranges no matter where you are by clicking this down arrow, or you can go to Data, Named Ranges. Here we can find all of our named ranges on this sheet, including this A column. How to delete it: click on the Edit button. It's this pencil icon on the right side, and then click the trash icon. If I hover over it, it's called Delete Range. I'll delete that. Are you sure you want to remove this range? Yes, remove. And that is deleted, not to be seen again. If I want to rename a named range, however, I can click down arrow, Manage Named Ranges, go and find the one that's called Invoices Now, edit, and rename it here. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, make cool automations, cool designs, cool data validation, subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets.